we just finished installation of electric fence now, and I'm going to be testing it. So I want to switch it on. This is the switch to switch it on. So as you can see, it's now working. So let us go outside to see how it's working. And I'll be doing practical now for some people that used to say if they cut the wire or anything. I'm going to cut the wire for example, so you see what will happen.
Zaka jawabu.
Properly fixed. So let me show you the alarm. That's the alarm over there. That is where we mount it. So I will cut the wire here now to see what will happen if someone cut the wire. Again, for some people that has to say if they cut electric wire, what will happen? So this is what will happen. Let's see. So that's it, because they cut the wire. We are going to go and turn it off inside now. It shows here that something is happening outside, so they will have known. But if I want to stop it, I will just switch it. So I form it like that. That's it. So if you want electric fence for your house, you can contact us at T Extra Technology, your #1 security guide.